Hello, hello! Once again, it's me, Jessica. Today, magluluto tayo ng Cassava Muffin with Macapuno. Okay, ito na po yung mga ingredients. 2 cups grated cassava, 1 cup coconut milk, 3/4 cup Macapuno, 3/4 cup evaporated milk, 1/2 cup condensed milk, 1/4 cup melted butter, and 2 eggs. Now, we're going to combine all the ingredients. Unahin natin yung cassava, coconut milk, evaporated milk, condensed milk, Macapuno, the butter, and the eggs. And then we're going to stir them up. Paghalo-haloin lang po natin. And then ilalagay lang natin dito. Mga 3/4. I think it's done. Lalagyan natin ng cheese on top.
Wow, it looks so delicious. At sa mga bago, please don't forget to like and subscribe and hit notification bell to be updated sa mga bagong videos.
Ayan, we're going to test it. Napaka-moist niya, guys. Ayan, kita nyo yung Macapuno. Masarap, guys. Subukan nyo. At magugustuhan nyo ito. Guys, thank you for watching.